Okay, yes, started the recording. Okay. All right, let's do step leg curl. Take a step, curl your leg. Take a step, yes. Step from side to side. Let's keep doing that. Okay, now let's do 10 butt kicks. Let's start. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Jog on the spot. Okay, yes, join in, Ankita, good. Okay, now what we are going to do, we are going to do high knee march. Let's start. So bring your leg as high as possible, swing your arms along. Okay, now let's do high knee hop. Start. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, relax. So we are through with our warm up. So let's begin with part 1. So part 1, you don't have to hold the dumbbells. Dumbbells come into picture in part 2. So let's see what do we have in part 1. Okay. All right. The first movement is your Spider-Man mountain climbers. Now, what is the movement? Let me show you both the version. One is your actual version and one will be your scaled down version. So, the scaled down version goes like this. You are in your palm plants. Bring your leg as much in front as possible. Take it back. Yes. Up, up, front and back, front and back. Now, what is an advanced version, the actual Spider-Man mountain climbers? You are here. Immediately switch, 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 switch. Yes, let's practice that. Everybody should try the advanced movement till you decide. Yes. Okay, good. Apeksha, are you comfortable?
Yes, Mehak, just that my legs are not reaching to.
No. So why I'm saying that, shall we scale it down? Because I think that's too explosive a movement for you, but
Okay.
it's okay. Okay, if you are very comfortable, you can do it, but don't push yourself too much on this.
Okay.
Okay, yes,
Sure.
yes. Ankita, you are going to try the full explosive version of this. Try it. Immediately switch. Yes, very good. Very good. Yes, yes. So maybe you can do 2, 3 explosive and remaining as the scale down. Okay,
Yeah,
yes,
I don't think I'll be like fast at it, but I can try the
yes, you
version.
should. You should. Yes, you should. Okay, Apeksha, you can also do that. So maybe start with the explosive version and gradually scale it down. Okay. All right, let's move on to the next movement, which is crawl to push-ups. This is an easy one, we all know. Not an easy movement, but easy to understand. Okay, so we start at the end of our mat like this. Knees absolutely straight. We crawl down. Once we reach this end, we do a push-up. Yes, and we crawl back. For those who would like to do on your knees, you go down like this, reach your palm plank position. From here, you can drop your knees, do a push-up, come back, lift up your knees and crawl back. Okay, yes, let's try doing it. Let's do 2, everybody, right now, so that I know where you are. One more. Sugan, do a push-up. Okay, when you reach end, do a push-up, yes, and come back. Yes, that's the movement. Okay, relax, everyone. The third movement and the last movement in the first part is bear stance, shoulder taps. Now, what is that? So, you are here on all fours. Okay, Now from here, slightly lift up your knees. That's your bear stance. Okay, just let me give you a closer look. So this is your all fours. Yes, you're here. Now slightly move up your knees. Okay, yes, not here. Okay, you are here on all fours, but your knees are up in the air. And you do shoulder taps. Okay, yes, let's try that, everyone. Good, Amarnath, good. Good, Deepa, very good. Good, Rajni. Sugan, lift up your knees. Lift up your knees. Yes, pura nahi, thoda sa. Yes. Good, Ankita, good. Good, Apeksha. I think everybody is good. Okay, relax. So these are the three movements. Let me revise the movements for you. So the first one was your Spider-Man mountain climbers. Okay, yes. Okay, the second one was your crawl to push up. Okay, the third one is your bear stance, shoulder taps. Okay, yes. So 30 seconds of movement and 10 seconds of rest. Let's do that. 3 sets. Okay, get ready. At the count of 3, 2, 1, start with your Spider-Man mountain crawls, mountain climbers. Yes. Let's do that. 30 seconds of Spider-Man is too much of a workout, guys. Let's do that. Very good, Bharat. Very nice. 15 seconds gone. 15 more to go. Yes, let's do that. Okay. Relax. Apeksha, relax. Relax, relax. Ho gaya. Okay. Get ready for the crawl to push-ups. Get up, everyone. Start. Yes, very good, Amarnath. Very nice. Excellent, Deepa. Try to keep your legs straight, everybody, as you crawl. Only I see Mukund doing the correct movement. Guys, keep your legs straight. I'm not going to be lenient with you now. Keep your legs straight as you crawl. 5 seconds more. Relax. Okay. Now get ready for the last movement in the first set, which is your bear stance, shoulder taps. Okay, start. Bear stance, shoulder taps. Yes, let's do that. Very good. Good, Amarnath. I like that self-correction. Very good. Very good, Rajni. Okay, relax. All right. Meanwhile, that we are resting for 30 seconds, let me point out few pointers here again. Okay, so when we are doing the first movement, you need to bring your legs. So from the side, watch it. You need to bring your legs as close to your hands as possible. Don't be here. Bring your legs closer. So it goes like this. Yes, like this. Okay. And similarly, in the second movement, try to keep your legs absolutely straight. So you're doing a push-up. When you crawl back, don't fold your knees, legs straight. Okay. And in the third set, in the third movement. So when you are down and you lift up your knees, you don't have to be here. You have to be here in the 4 position. Okay. So these are the 3 pointers. All right, let's get ready for the second set. Start with spider mountain climbers. Yes, very good, Mukund. Very nice. Very good, Deepa. Excellent. Good. Yes. Good, Rajni, good. Keep that going, guys. You still have 10 seconds. Not an easy workout. Okay, relax. All right. Okay, get ready for the crawl to push-up. Start. Start your crawls to push-ups. Yes. Yes, good, Rajni, good. Yes, good, Ankita, very good. Apeksha, try to take your hips also parallelly down as you take your, yes. 5 more seconds, everyone. Relax. Okay. Get ready for the next movement, which is your bear stance shoulder taps. Okay, start. Yes. Good. Very good, Amarnath. Much, much better. Good. Mukund, bring your knees closer to your hands. Bring your legs forward. Yes, 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 yes. Good. 5 more seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Relax. Okay, take a breather, 30 seconds before we do the last round in part 1. Okay. Twenty seconds to go. Okay, get ready. 5 seconds. All right, start with spider mountain crawls, mountain climbers. Yes, let's do that. Yes. Very good. Let's do as fast as we can. Ten more seconds. Good, good, good. Keep that going. Relax. Okay. Take a breather. Yes. Now the next movement is going to be your crawl to push up. Okay. 5 seconds to go. Get ready. Take your position. Start. Crawl down. Yes. Do a push up and come back crawling. Yes. Good, good, good. Ankita, have slight gap between your legs. Don't join your legs. Yes. That will give you a better comfortable and a right posture position. Yes. 10 more seconds, guys. Let's make the most of it. One last push up. Let's do that. Relax. Okay. Get ready for the shoulder taps. You have 10 more seconds. Okay, start. Bear stance, shoulder taps. Let's do that. Mukund, slightly take your legs back. Slightly back. There are two in a comfort zone. Thoda sa aur piche. Bring your body forward, Mukund. Correct your position. Yes, much better now. Good. 10 more seconds. We are not done yet. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Relax. Okay, well done, guys. So we are done with part 1. Okay. Now we are going to rest for a good while and learn the movements of the second part. So today we have introduced some new movements. So we are going to spend time learning and improving the form of the movements that we learn. Okay. All right. Let's move to part 2. Let's watch what we are going to do. Again, 3 movements. So bend over rows to half burpees. So Ankita, on your request, we have uh, instead of full burpees, we are doing half burpees. Okay. All right. Okay. So the first movement is bend over rows to half burpees. All right. So I want we to practice more rowing in this because burpees we all are comfortable. So let's practice more rowing here. So I want you to pick up your dumbbells and watch the movement first. So your legs are here, shoulder width apart, knees slightly bent. Bend down from your waist with your chest out, okay? And row and down. So watch my elbows, they are not here. They are slightly closer, row and down. Shoulders relaxed, don't tense your shoulders like this. From the side, it looks like this. So you're here, you bend down this much, okay? With your chest out, don't hunch your back. Chest is out, look neck neutral. And from here, you row and you bring it back. You row and you bring it back. You row and you bring it back. Yes, let's practice this. Let's do 7 to 8 counts and 2 sets. Yes, let's try that with your weight. 7 to 8 counts and 2 sets. Yes, fine, Amarnath. Yes. Deepa, slightly move your back up. Slightly move your back up. Yes, this is better. Bend your knees more. Bend your knees more. Yes, this is a better posture. Yes. Keep doing it. I'm watching, observing all of you. Okay, yes, Bharat, fine. Sugandh, coming back is an issue. Okay, Apeksha, Rajni, Sugandh, watch it. So when you are here, when you do this, your hands are by the side of your waist, not your chest. Okay, don't bring your hands here. You are unnecessarily involving your biceps by doing this. We want to concentrate on our lats. So we are here, pull it from here, slightly squeeze it. So you need to squeeze it at your back. Okay, so come back up, squeeze it and down. Come up, squeeze and down. Okay, let's do that again. Maybe one set more, everyone. Let's do that. Good, Sugandh. Good. Very good. Rajni, don't take your hands in front. Front pe mat leke jao. Niche rakho. Pull it and bring it down. Yes. Yes. Much better. Much better. Yes. Nice, Apeksha. Yours is fine. Mukund, yours is also fine. Yes. Ankita, wonderful. Okay. Now that we are done with our rowing, let's watch what we are going to do in the actual movement. So the movement is rows with half burpees. Now, how are we going to do it? So very easy movement, not an issue otherwise. So you go down like this, yes, legs back, legs forward. And when you get up, you do a row. Go down, legs back, legs forward, get up, row. Down, legs back, legs forward, get up, row. Yes? Let's practice 2, 3 right now. Let's do that. Yes, yes, good. Mukund, when you come up, this time your back was slightly hunching. Just make sure that you're not too down. You're slightly in a comfortable pose that you can do the rows. Okay? Yes? All right. I think we are good with this movement. Relax, everyone. Okay. Let's move on to the next movement in the second part, which is suicide planks. We all know. Let me just repeat it for you. So suicide planks, we are here in the palm planks. You go down on your elbows, come back up again in palms, down on your elbows, up in the palm. Yes, let's do that. Maybe 2, 3 right now, everyone. Yes. So then when you go down in your elbows, make sure your torso also goes down. वो ऊपर रह जाता है जब आप elbows में जाते हो. Okay. Everybody, let's do 2 more. Apeksha, your also, I want your torso to be parallel to the ground, parallel to the floor. Yes. 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 Good. Okay. Relax. Just be mindful, everyone, that when you are going on your elbow planks from your palm planks, you need to bring your torso also down. Don't just let it stay up. Okay. That is one thing for everybody. Okay. Then we have is DB standing punches. Now, how are we going to do it? So, your hands are here. So, you are holding your dumbbell like this. Yes. And from here, I'll show a slow motion. So you're going to punch in the center, come back. So these are slightly below the face, chest, or you can say abdomen punches. Not too down, okay? Punch straight like this. So reach here, punch, bring it back. Punch, bring it back. Now, how are we going to do in the workout? We are going to do it fast. Punch, 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 punch. Yes, like this with full force, with dumbbells in your hand. Okay, don't stress your shoulders like that. So shoulders should be relaxed. Okay, let's do maybe 10 punches. Everyone, let's do 10 punches.
Mehak, weight should be lighter for this movement.
Where should be?
Lighter?
Weight, okay, weight can be lighter if you feel like. If 4 kgs, I think will be too much. So you can hold a water bottle or something, or you can do it without weights also. I'm fine with that. Apeksha, slightly bring your punch in front. बहुत नीचे जा रहा है, slightly up. Better, better. Yes, let's keep doing that. Okay, relax. So सबसे अच्छे punches, Ankita, these are yours. So Bharat, I'm not sure why her punches are so good. Okay. All right. Okay. So let's proceed with our workout. Let me revise the movements for you. So the first movement is your half burpees and bend over rows. That's your first movement. Okay. The second movement is your suicide planks. Okay. Yes. And the third movement is your DB punches. All right. Yes. Let's get ready. Again, the same pattern. 30 seconds of workout and 20 seconds of rest. Okay, let's get ready. Okay, at the count of 3, 2, 1, start with half burpees and bend over rows. Sugandh, it is half burpees only. You are not going to do the push-up position in between. Just take your legs back, legs forward, and get up and do the row. Yes. Good. Yes, let's keep that going. 5 more seconds. Relax. Okay. Get ready for the suicide planks. Start. Yes. From palm, go to elbow. Very good, Apeksha. Very nice. Wonderful movement. Keep that going. Yes, very good, Deepa. Good. Very good, Mukund. Very nice. Nice posture. Good, Rajni. Good. Sugandh, torso down when you go down. 5 more seconds, everyone. Maybe 1 more. Yes. Relax. Okay. Get ready for the punches. So this is going to be a tough one, the punches part, believe it or not. You have to punch with full force. I don't want to see shallow punches. Okay, start. Start your punches. Yes, with full force. Very good, Amarnath. Very nice. Yes. Good, Deepa. Yes, very good, Rajni. Yes, very good, Mukund. Nice. Good, Bharat. Good. Wonderful, Ankita. Very good. Everybody is doing well. Yes. Keep it going. We have 10 more seconds. Yes, let's keep it going. Relax. Okay, wonderful. All right, while we take a 30 seconds break, Mukund, just watch. So the burpees movement is fine. So when you are taking your legs back, legs forward. And now when you get up, be in this pose and do the rows. All right, just practice it once. Don't be too down, don't be too up. Right here in this pose, do a row. Okay. Same goes for you, Deepa. Deepa, you are bending too much. Don't bend too much. Slightly be here. Bend down from your knees if you want to. Okay. Then do the row. All right. Yes. Okay. We have 10 seconds before we start the second round. Okay. Get ready and start. Yes, very good. Rajni, be mindful of the movement. Yes. Ten more seconds. Let's keep that going. So everybody just be conscious of the rowing part. Burpees, you all are fine. Relax. So if you will not keep your back, if you will not keep your back straight like this, bend down but straight, you are going to hurt your back. That is why I keep stressing on the back part. Okay, let's get ready for the suicide planks. And we start. Start everyone, suicide planks. Let's do that. So instead of doing the movement faster, concentrate on engaging your core and correcting your posture in every step. Yes, 5 more seconds. 3, 2, 1, relax. Okay. Get ready for the last one, which is DB punches. Okay, start. DB punches, everyone. Let's do that. Yes, good. Ten more seconds. Let's keep it going. Okay, relax. All right. Drop your weights. Let your body relax for 30 seconds. Again, repeating in the burpees pose, half burpees and rowing. Everybody has to be mindful of the movement, that you're not hunching your back. So even if your rows go wrong, I'm still fine, though I'm not too fine with that as well. But your hunched back, I really have a problem with that because you're going to hurt it. Okay. So be mindful that you're not stooping down like this. Your back is always straight, chest is always out. Okay. All right, let's get ready. 10 more seconds. Rishan, क्या चाहिए बेटे आपको? आ जाओ ऊपर उठ के ले लो. Okay. And we start. Yes. Excellent, Mukund. Good. Good, Deepa. Now you got the point. Yes, good. Yes, good, Sugan. Good. Yes. You have 10 more seconds to go. Let's do 2, 3 more. Relax. Okay. Get ready for suicide planks. Okay. Take your position. Stopped. Suicide plank started. Torso down, everybody in the elbow plank. Deepa, yours is correct. Don't take it down too much. Yes, Apeksha, very good. Yes, good, Mukund, good. Good, Rajni. Yes, much better, Sugandh. Much better. Good. Keep it going, everyone. 5 more seconds. We are not done yet. Relax. Okay. Let's get ready for the next movement, which is DB punch. So I should see forceful punches. So I think first 15 seconds, you people all do very well. And for the last 15, you get tired and then you start throwing your punches like this. Don't throw your punches. So punch and back, punch and back. That should be the force. Okay. You need to bring it back with full force. Okay. Chalo. Let's start. DB punches. Yes. Let's do that. Punch and back, punch and back. Yes. Very good, Rajni. Very nice. Good, Mukund. Yes. Good, Amarnath. Yes. Good, Deepa. Yes. Very good, Ankita. Very nice. Keep that going. 10 more seconds. Yes. Let's put all our force. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Relax. Okay. So we are done with part 2. Yes. Okay. All right. Let's move on. So did we do 2 sets or did we do 3 sets? 2, 3, okay, 3? Okay. All right. Somehow I felt we had done 2 sets only. Okay. Let's get on with part 3. Now, again, some more rows. We have bear crawl to renegade rows. Okay. Then we have DB squat and then we have DB straight leg sit up. So DB squat is the easiest one here to understand. The first movement, bear crawl to renegade rows. We are going to practice it slightly more. Okay. So first of all, what I would all you to want to do is, so we are going to hold this position for 20 seconds and then for 30 seconds. And what is that position? So you are here on all fours. Okay. Your body weight is on your dumbbells. Yes, your arms, with your hands, you're holding the dumbbell. And from here, lift up your knees and be in the bear pose. Okay, we are going to hold it for 20 seconds and then we are going to hold it for 30 seconds. Okay, I don't want you to be here. I don't want your knees to be here. I don't want your knees to be there. Okay, you are going to be in this position. Yes, with knees slightly up. All right, let's do that. Okay, get ready. Take your dumbbells. Lie down. First set, we hold it for 20 seconds. Okay. And we start. Hold that pose for 20 seconds. So we are preparing for the final movement. This is not the final movement. Yes. Good, Mukund. Good. Yours is okay. So remember this stance. Yes. Good, Bharat. Good, Ankita. Good. Yes. Let your body remember this stance. Okay. Relax. 20 seconds up. Relax. Okay. So one trick to use here is that instead of just going down like this and finding your position and being here, be on all fours, be in this position, and from here slightly lift up your knees. Okay, that is a better way to do the movement. Okay, let's do it for 30 seconds now. Be on all fours, everyone, and from here now lift up your knees. Start. Yes. Hold that position. Yes. Rajni, move your body slightly forward. Your hands are way beyond your shoulder length. Forward, forward. Rajni, आगे लेके जाओ. हाँ. Now do it. Now do it. Yes. Much better. Yes. Hold it. Hold it. Okay, relax. All right. So this is your stance. Okay. So now when it comes to the movement, which is your bear crawl renegade rows. So we have done renegade rows before. Just let me revise it for you. So renegade rows was this movement. Okay. Yes, this was your renegade rows. Now you're going to do it in the bear crawl position. So this is your bear crawl position and you're going to do your renegade rows. Okay, yes, let's try that. Let's try it. Yes. Hmm. Yes. Bharat, you need to slightly go down. Your body is too high. Hmm. Yes, good, good Apeksha. Yes. Ankita, yours is fine. Yes. Good, Amanat. Good, Deepa. I think we are good with the movement. Relax, everyone. Okay, good. All right. Next movement is your DB squat, simple movement. So your legs are shoulder width apart, slightly more. So we are going to do a slightly wider squat. Push your hips down, go down in a squat, come back up. Push your hips down, go down in a squat, come back up. So your dumbbell stays right in the center. So now don't be in a motion to touch the dumbbell on the ground. I don't want your back to be bent like this. Okay, watch it from the side. So you are going to push your hips back, go down, yes, and come back. Push your hips back, go down as much and come back. Okay, let's practice it 2-3 times. Let's practice it. Yes. Toes pointing in front. Toes are not out. Toes pointing in front. Yes. Good. Relax. We are good. Relax. Okay. Let's see what the third movement is. Oh, DB, straight leg up. Easy movement, but you have to engage your abs. Otherwise, this is nothing but getting up and getting down. So you need to engage your abs, and how? So on one hand, you're holding your dumbbell, okay? So the movement starts from here. You're here, you get up, yes, and once you reach the top, you exchange your dumbbell with the other hand. Go down without dropping your body on the ground. Again, come back up, exchange. Again, go down without dropping. Again, come back up. Keep your abs engaged. Again, go down. Again, without dropping, come back up. Yes, let's try that. Yes, let's do that. So you need to go down slow. Don't be in a rush to drop your body down. Yes. Try to lift yourself up. Yes, very good. Exchange your dumbbell in the, when you reach the top, Ankita, exchange your dumbbell with the other hand. Huh? Exchange your dumbbell and come down. Yes, very good. Let's do that. Everyone, yes. Good. Yes. Good, Amanat. Good. Yes. Let's keep doing it. Yes. Yes, Deepa. Don't lie down completely, Deepa. You're not going to lie down completely. This is for everybody. Keep your abs engaged. So your body, when it goes down, it remains in 30 degrees and you again get up. Apeksha, that's fine. Okay. Just try getting up and going down. You can use your hands for the support. This was only for Apeksha. You can use your hands for the support. I'm fine with that. Okay. I think we are good with the movement. Relax, everyone. Okay, so now, yes, Apeksha, tell me. No? Okay. All right. So now we are going to start with the workout. Let me repeat the movements for you. The pattern remains the same, 30 seconds and 15 seconds. Okay, so the first movement is your bear crawl and renegade rows. Okay, that's your first movement. Yes. The second movement is your DB front squat. Yes. And the third movement is your sit up, full sit up with straight legs. Okay, yes. Let's do that. Chalo. You take your position for the bear crawl and renegade rows. Be on your dumbbells, body weight on your dumbbells. Okay, at the count of 3, 2, 1, start. Workout started. Yes, very good. Yes, very good. Keep that going. Relax. 30 seconds up. Okay. Next is DB squat, simple movement. Let's get up, pick up one dumbbell, chest out, shoulders rolled back, back straight. And start. 30 seconds of DB squats. Let's do that. Yes. Go down deeper, deeper. Yes. As deep as possible. Push down your hips. Push your hips back, go down. Okay, so Ankita, one toe is out, both the toes straight. That's for Ankita, yes. Be mindful of your body movements. Yes, good, good. Yes, keep that going. Relax. Okay. Get ready for the sit-up. 5 more seconds to go. Start. Yes. Good. Go down slow. Be in the control of the movement. Yes. Exchange your dumbbell when you reach up. Five more seconds. Relax. Good. All right. For once, get up and walk. For once, get up and walk, everybody. Movements were okay. All right. Let's get ready with the second set. Okay? Chalo. Take your position, bear crawl, renegade rows. And we start. Yes. Sukan, bring your knees slightly forward. Yes. Good, good. Very good. Very nice. Very nice, Apeksha. Very nice. Good. Very good, Deepa. Very good. Excellent. Good, Mukund. Good. Yes. We have 5 more seconds. Relax. Okay. Get ready for DB squats. Get up. Hold one single dumbbell, everyone. Take your position. 5 more seconds to go. Okay, start. Yes, 15 more seconds. Deepa, slightly toes inside, slightly inside. Yes, good. Good. Relax. Okay. Get ready for your sit-ups. 5 more seconds before you start. Lie down, everybody. Hold your dumbbell. Get into the position. Start. Yes. The trick is to come down slow. The slower you come down, more you will be engaging your abs. Yes. Come down slow. Very good. And don't drop your body. Don't lie down completely. Your body should remain in that 30-degree angle when you come down. Yes. 10 more seconds. Let's keep that going. Yes. Good, Bharat. Good. Very good. Yes. Relax. Okay. So we are done with 2 sets. Get up and walk. You are left with one last set. Get up and walk, everybody. Amarnath, get up and walk. Yes. You want to have water? Anybody, you can have that as well. A sip of it won't do harm. If you don't want, that's even better. Okay. Last set. Let's put all our efforts in it and make the most of Mondays. Okay. Take your position in the bear crawl and start renegade rows. Started. Yes. Very good. Good, Apeksha. Good. Yes. Yes. Very good, Sugan. Keep that going. 5 more seconds. 3, 2, 1. Relax. Okay. Get ready for the DB squats. Get up. Hold a single dumbbell, chest out, shoulders rolled back, body straight, pushing your hips down and start. Yes. Weight, body weight on your heels. Keep that going. Ten more seconds. Relax. Okay. Last movement, sit-ups. Make sure that when you get up, you go down slow and don't lie down completely. Engage your abs. 3 seconds to go. Start. Yes. Very good, Mukund. Very nice. Good, Amarnath. Good. Yes. Good, Deepa. Yes. Good, Sugan. Good. Yes. Keep that going, everyone. Ten more seconds. Let's do that. Last 10 seconds of your workout. 5 seconds. 3, 2, 1. Relax. We are done with our workout. Get up and start walking. Relax for 1 full minute before we start our stretching. Okay. Keep your weights back meanwhile. Let your body relax. Okay. Now let us begin our stretching. Today we are going to stretch our upper body slightly more. All right. So let's begin. So the first stretch is always elongating your spine. So let's be here. Stretch yourself up and stay. So lift off your heels, be on your toes and stay in this position. Stay. Keep pulling yourself up as high as possible. Okay, relax. All right. Now join your legs. Keep your knees straight. Again, pull yourself. Now this time, go down. Try to touch your toes. Go down slowly. Don't jerk your spine. Go down slow. Stay there and start pulsing. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Slowly come back and relax. Slightly shake your legs. Okay. Now one leg in front, one leg at the back. The gap between the two is not too much. Okay, less gap between your legs. Both the legs straight. Now go down on the front leg and stay. Keep the knees absolutely straight. Stay there, yes. Okay, come back up slow. Now change. Bring the other leg forward. Take this leg back again. Both the legs straight, not too much of a gap. Go down. Stay. Okay, relax. All right, shake your legs. All right, now widen your legs. Okay, stretch your hands out. Now twist your body and touch your opposite toe. Go down. Stay there. Come back. Again, twist your body on the other side and touch your opposite toe. Now, both the legs remain straight. Don't fold your knees. Both the knees are straight. Hold this posture. Okay, come back. All right. Now, stretch out your hands and go down, touch your corresponding toe. Stay there and start pulsing. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Slowly come back. Okay, shake your legs. All right. Now lift up one leg. Take it as high as possible. Hold it. Okay, change. Lift up the other leg. Take it as high as possible. Hold it. Okay. Now let's use a wall to stretch our upper body. So I'm going to change my camera angle slightly to show you. Okay. So here is my wall. This one. First, let's do a dog stretch pose. So place your hands slightly up, step back and go down. Stretch your spine. Make that curve in your spine. Look up, bend your body down. Make that curve. Yes. You can even fold your knees if you wish to. Okay, relax. All right, now slightly step forward. Place your hands by the side of your waist against the wall. Slightly step forward. Now from here, try to bend behind. So go back on the opposite side. Don't stay for too long. Come back. Yes, and don't go back too much. Just a slight back stretch. Yes, go again. Okay, come back. All right. Now, fold one hand against the wall and press your chest on it. Press your chest. Yes. This is going to stretch your shoulders and your upper back as well. Okay, relax. Now, take the other arm and press your chest against it, against the wall. This is going to pull your shoulders, relax them, and as well as relax your upper back. Okay, relax. All right. Now take your hand up like this. Just place it on the wall. Just let me change my angle. So you're here, just place it on the wall and slightly bend forward. Slightly bend forward. You will feel a slight stretch in your inner, so this thing, you'll slightly feel a stretch, yes. Okay, change. So the other arm now goes and you slightly drop your body forward. Okay, now place your hands at the back like this, both the hands, and try to twist your arms and look up. Stay in this posture, slightly twist your arms and look up. Okay, relax. All right, now stretch your neck. Pull your neck on one side. Stay there. Yes, pull your neck on the other side. Okay, now with the help of your hands, slightly press your chin and turn your neck on one side. Okay, change. With the help of the other hand, press your chin, turn your neck on the other side. Okay, now with the help of your hands, press your head, slightly go down. Try to touch your chin to your throat. Okay, now with the help of your hands, press your chin up. Okay, now extend your arms and press your fingers down. Okay, change. Okay, all right. So one last time, pull yourself up and bend on one side. Stay. Keep pulling. Okay, come back. Go on the other side and stay. Keep pulling yourself. Okay, come back. Slightly relax your shoulder, jog on the spot. Okay, and we are good to go. So in case you feel any stiffness in your lower back, you can do cobra pose once or twice. Okay, and good going, everyone. I see good energy today, so we are going to increase the intensity in this coming week. Okay, so be prepared to bring your weights every time. All right.
Mehak, do you have 2 minutes?
Yes, yes, I have. Please tell me.
Like I've been having pain between my shoulder and elbow.
Okay, okay. All right.
I forgot to discuss this in the one-on-one.
No problems, no problems. So Balwinder is also joining in another minute or so. Okay. So we can discuss it with him. All right. With him and with me as well.
Okay.
So yeah, just wait for a second. I'll just ping him because we already have another one-on-one schedule. So I just ping him.
Yeah, if you don't have time, I can talk about this next
No,
time.
I have time. I have time. Wait, we need to discuss if any pain you're facing. Rest of you can leave the meeting. All right. Bye-bye. Okay. Yes, Deepa, tell me.
So this is actually between the shoulder and the
Hmm.
elbow. When it doesn't pain all the time, but when I lift it up, it's been hurt. Almost 10 days ho gaye, and I've been thinking of asking you, but I keep forgetting.
Okay, so is the pain here?
Thoda sa niche, slightly.
Slightly lower your camera angle, Deepa, and show me where the pain is.
Yeah, it's here, somewhere here.
It's here. Okay.
Like when I
Okay.
lift
So
it
when
up,
you
maybe it's not paining now because it's warmed up.
it's warmed up, yes.
यहाँ पे, it hurts in this
यहाँ
area.
पे होता है. Okay. Okay. All right. So Balwinder, Deepa is facing this pain since last 10 days. She forgot to discuss it with us in the one-on-one session. So this is a pain, and when she lifts up, she has pain here around her arms. And that's, I think, muscular pain because right now your body is warmed up and you're not feeling that pain.
I'm not getting it.
Yeah.
Okay, I need to see it. Let me see. Okay, can you now show me? Okay, so just stand up. Maybe put your camera a little far.
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay. So now tell me, just yeah, in what movement it is paining and where?
Stuff like this pains here.
Here.
Hmm.
Okay. Is it going towards the shoulder?
No, it doesn't go towards the shoulder. It just it remains there only. ऐसा कोई radiate नहीं होता.
Radiate नहीं हो रहा है. Okay. So अभी let me switch on my camera. Okay. So this till this point is my shoulder. Okay. So this is my shoulder. So if you just touch your shoulder, you will see a slightly raised up area, right? Okay. So this is the bone, the last bone, and this is slightly raised up area, and then it goes down. So tell me, is the pain here on the raised up area or below that? Okay. All right. And if I look at from the side angle, so this is my entire shoulder and my arm. Where it pains? Center?
It's like kind of center. यहाँ पे जैसे right now, let me show it to you. If I see it on the side, तो किधर है? This is the place where it's hurting.
Is it possible to just take this shirt, yeah, slightly up?
So this is the raised area ना. Raised area के नीचे यहाँ पे होता है pain. When I lift up, अभी actually हो नहीं रहा है because it's warmed up. But किधर होता है? This is where it pains.
Okay. Okay. So just raise your arm like this. Okay. Now turn your wrist inwards. Okay. Now you see if there is this part gets little tighter. Okay. So is this the part where you're paining, the area which is tighter?
Yes, kind of. That's right.
Okay. Okay. Got it. So it's not shoulder. It is what is happening is your tricep muscle is slightly being pulled. Okay. So and since when it is happening?
Actually, it's been around 8 to 10 days हो गए हैं.
Do you remember what happened before that? Just before that?
No, no.
No.
Maybe I don't know. I don't think it is after the exercise one, but मुझे याद नहीं है actually. I noticed it and I was thinking of talking, but I kept forgetting. Balvinder, I can't hear you.
Balvinder, your voice was
Yeah, is it okay now?
Hmm.
Yeah. So as I said that your body is right now warmed up, so we cannot actually assess what's the problem. But somehow I think I understand what is the problem. It is nothing but a slight muscle pull on your tricep muscle. Okay, maybe in some awkward position you just lifted something or utilized that tricep. So what we need to do is whenever it is paining, if it is possible for you to call me at that point of time. So maybe if it is fine after warm up, then probably tomorrow morning or afternoon it should be giving you problem.
I'll do that.
Okay, just give me a call and then we will see what needs to be done. For now, I understand that we need to ice it for few days, for 2-3 days. So that will help. But yes, once it is paining, then I would like to see wherever. I mean, is there anything which is connected to the shoulder, or maybe it is going back, touching maybe somewhere on the top? Because right now you won't be able to feel that.
Explain it also exactly कहाँ है because अभी हो नहीं रहा है. I'll probably call you when it pains.
ठीक है, fine. But nothing to worry. It's not joint related. It is not shoulder related.
No, it's not bothering me that much, but because we've been doing weights, I just want to. Yeah.
ठीक है, no problem. We'll fix that.
Okay. All right. Okay. Yeah. Bye-bye.
Bye.
Yeah. Hi, Sugan.
Hello, Mehak.
Yeah.
Yeah, I'm just rejoining.
Hello,
Give me 2
Balvinder.
minutes.
Acha,
Hi,
ठीक
hi,
है.
Sugan.
हाँ, I'll also rejoin. Sugan, just give me a minute. I need to stop the recording and rejoin. ऐसा होता है क्या?
No, just stop it. Simple stop it. It should be already